Is it time to buy or sell Advanced Micro Devices stock? In this video, we will explore Advanced Micro Devices in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 1st of August, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 2nd of May, 2025, our system has ranked Advanced Micro Devices as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 2.82. Let's examine the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 73.79% since we first designated Advanced Micro Devices as a buy candidate 63 days ago. This equates to an average return of 1.17% per day since it was classified as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a robust and significant upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases are expected. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 65.89% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 49.37% to 75.68%. In terms of a longer view, our 12-month analysis shows a projected change of negative 14.69%. Our calculations indicate that the stock's performance could vary between negative 66.01% and negative 10.93% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $58.37 and $152.93. Our latest daily update for Advanced Micro Devices includes the headline, Advanced Micro Devices stock price ended at $171.70 on Friday, after losing 2.61%. The Advanced Micro Devices stock price fell by 2.61% on the last day, which was Friday, the 1st of August, 2025, from $176.31 to $171.70. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 4.54%, with a day low of $166.82 and a day high of $174.40. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 9.37% over the past 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day by 4 million shares, although this occurred with falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 75 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $12.85 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $182.49, while the lowest price was $76.48. Currently, the price is 5.91% or $10.79 below the 52-week high, and 24.46% or $55.60 below the all-time high on the 8th of March, 2024, when the price reached $227.30. Advanced Micro Devices, or AMD, is navigating a crucial phase as it approaches its second quarter earnings report. Forecasts indicate revenue could reach $7.43 billion, reflecting a significant year-over-year increase of 27.3%. Largely fueled by demand for its new MI300 GPUs and EPYC server solutions. However, investors should note that earnings per share may decline by 30% due to challenges posed by export controls and the high costs associated with ramping up production. Furthermore, AMD's performance should be viewed within the broader context of the tech sector, where competitor Intel faces difficulties, allowing AMD to potentially capitalize on market opportunities. Despite AMD's recent strong stock momentum, rising 48% this year compared to Nvidia's 33%, some analysts are recommending caution, citing concerns over current valuations and the possibility of near-term corrections. Additionally, New developments, such as Genentech's positive 5-year data on treatments for wet AMD, may indirectly influence market sentiment, especially in tech sectors intertwined with healthcare technology advancements. Overall, both short-term profit-taking and longer-term growth potential are at play for AMD, making it crucial for investors to balance optimism with market realities as they assess future movements in its stock price. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 14th of July, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned AMD a hold rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 10th of July, 2025, it was reported that Wolfe Research assigned AMD an outperform rating with an upgrade action. On Thursday, the 10th of July, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned AMD an overweight rating with an upgrade action. On Thursday, the 10th of July, 2025, it was reported that HSBC assigned AMD a buy rating with an upgrade action. On Tuesday, the 1st of July, 2025, it was reported that Bernstein assigned AMD a reduce rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Advanced Micro Devices stock. The price-to-earnings ratio is rated as strong sell, while the price-to-book ratio receives a neutral rating. When evaluating return on investment, analysts similarly rate the stock as neutral. The following signals have been identified for Advanced Micro Devices. The Advanced Micro Devices stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal for the stock, indicating a positive forecast. If the stock continues to rise, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $172.46. Conversely, if it declines, it will find support from the long-term average at around $147.28. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will result in a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, July 30th, 2025, and thus far, the stock has fallen by 4.35%. Further declines are indicated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 28 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 70 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 58 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages. Buy signal 47 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you seek more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Advanced Micro Devices. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $155.61 and $143.40. There's a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Advanced Micro Devices finds support just below today's level at $155.61. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $143.40 and $138.43. This stock may move much during the day, volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $7.58 between high and low, or 4.54%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 4.77%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Advanced Micro Devices, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This extremely high PE ratio suggests that the stock could be overvalued. However, it's not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of the year 2025 is expected on the 5th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 470 cents. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for advanced micro devices. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for advanced micro devices is at $173.66. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a strategic point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, advanced micro devices encounters its first support level at $155.61. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for advanced micro devices from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Papermaster Mark D, who bought and sold 35,996 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 12.332. In total, insiders purchased 623,620 shares and sold 817,350 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $164.68, reflecting a decrease of 4.09%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which contribute to a higher level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top that was identified 2 days ago. Is advanced micro devices stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for advanced micro devices stock to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 4th of August, we expect advanced micro devices to open lower by approximately 72 cents and begin trading at $170.97. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.